Hey guys, it's Kaya, and welcome back to another Roblox video. And today I am here in the Blizzard story, and yeah, I'm going to be playing it. So we've got to log on here, and I've never played this, but I've heard that sometimes you can be the only person on the server, like now. Because I don't think very many people play this. Oops. I don't think very many people play this. Yeah, 29. So, yeah. I've heard it's pretty fun though. This got recommended from one of my friends, so, yeah. Wait, am I still the only person? You know what? Let's go solo. I can go solo, right? Yeah. Good. Actually, there's so much time left. I'm just gonna explore a little bit. What can I buy from here? Shop. What's this? No. 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 Wait, I'm gonna go. Oh, yes! 3 people. Yes, 4. Yay, people are actually in. Okay. That's good. And over here. That's okay. Car is right over here. No, not this guy. I want to see. I had a little bit of trouble. So it's only us 3. And 3 left. Okay. The Blizzard. Yeah, it's only us 3. So, waiting for players to join. All 3 of us. Oh, Jack. Hello everyone, welcome to my cabin. Make yourself at home. I can't go in. I'm gonna make myself at home. Wow, you have a meat. It's pretty small, I know, right? Yes, it's big. Thank you, there's supposed to be rat storm tonight, but we should be fine. Whoa, what's wrong with that guy? Oh. Well, let's try again. Let's try again, because I lost my internet. Waiting for an event server, that probably means I'm going to be by myself. Yeah, I'm by myself. Okay, I know, yeah. Oh, there's so many people. Where's the third person? You're all in there. I don't know what's there. What's here? What's here? Oh, he took my spot. How dare you? Okay. Only me and this other guy. And yeah. So, waiting for first. Oh, I see you, Jack. Jack. If you guys have any suggestions for games for me to play, I really don't care what kind of game it is. If it's an obby, if it's whatever, if it's a story. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments. And, oh wait, thank you. Oh, put them down in the comments, and then I will pick through. If you have any suggestions, I'll pick through them. And look, so yeah, I know there's a matchbox here. It was either here or over there. I think it was over there. I don't know. It's kind of in the middle. With my friend, I've never played it on my account in Maxbox. It's over here. Let's see it. Oh, wait, no, it isn't here. Okay. Because I watched my friend play this, but I've never played it. That's how I know some of this stuff. But yeah. Great, now we can start a fire tonight. Here, have a cookie if you'd like. It'll give you energy for later. Yeah, I'm gonna save that for later. Yeah, here it is. Okay, thanks. Oh. Yeah. Wait, the cookie is poison. Oh, why would you give us a poison cookie, Jack? What? Haha, just joking around. Okay, thank goodness. Look at him laughing there. Phew, I thought we were all poisoned. When you say all, do you mean us? Excuse you, Mr. Jack? Look around the cabin for a bit. Excuse me, Mr. Jack? You almost poisoned us? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go outside and gather some more logs for the fire tonight. Okay, I really don't care. Probably gonna die, but like, if he just walks through that door, I swear. He didn't even leave. He didn't even leave. Oh, okay, I'll see you all later. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I got the logs, but we have a... Whoa, what happened to them? What happened? We're going to get hit hard by the snowstorm that I talked about earlier. It might damage the cabin, but I think we should be fine. Okay, hopefully nothing bad happens. Good night, everyone. Can I sleep? Match. Let's sleep. Not sleep. Hello. You're still saying... Are you gonna say that all night? Bro. Can I eat my cookie? I don't want to eat my cookie. I want to say something. Oh no. Damn. What is it? What even? Oh, it's electrical. What's it for? Is it for power or is it like for... It's electric. I think it's power. Good night, everyone. You're still saying it. What was that? What was what? Oh no, the power is gone. Power went out. Power went out. I'll start up the fire. Please do. Thank you, Jack. Hear any background noise with my cat playing with a pipe cleaner? He loves them. I hate to say this, but I don't think the cabin's going to hold up. The cabin is going to get destroyed by the storm. I'm trusting my gut. We have to take shelter. Where though? Oh wait, there's a bunker under this carpet. I don't see no bunker. What was that? I don't know. But get in the bunker quick. What are these things? Can I have one? Are they crystals? I think they're crystals. I want one. No. We are safe here. Now at least... How long are we going to stay in here for? I'm not exactly sure. But we're going to have to go back up eventually. Oh, the ladder's completely see-through. Whoa, look at these crystals. I know, I want one. Don't touch them. It's just, well, guess what? Touch, touch, touch. Touch, touch, touch. Touch, touch. Touch, 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 touch. Touch. Okay, then. What? Wait, I'm gonna watch what happens to the cabin. Okay. Is it gonna break? Hopefully the bunker isn't break. It won't break. We just have to wait until the storm dies down. I want to. Yeah. What happened? I haven't heard anything in a while. Now the ladder is messy. Let's see how the cabin looks. Hello. Hello. This looks good. What happened to the fridge? Wait. There's a chicken cookie. No, the chicken. Oh no, my chicken cookie. He said that too. Speaking of pictures, what were all those pictures of crystals on the walls? Don't worry about it. I'll explain later. I'm still worried about this fridge. Did you check if the car is alright? Probably not. It's even, yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah, no. Am I the only one left? I'm the only one left. I think, unless the other guy went outside. Yeah, no, I'm the only one left. Let's go. Oh, wait, I want to go home. Mommy! Mama, mommy, mom, 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 mama, 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 mama. Let me go back outside. Listen, now's not the time to panic. You have to find a way to survive. I remember having a survival kit somewhere around here. Can you help me find it? Oh, it's not there. Whoop. Oh, there it is. Okay. We got the survival kit. The only one left. It's a me, not a we. Alright, at least we have a chance. Oh, wait. Feel free to explore a bit. What's over this hill? Big blue hill mountain. Can I climb the tree? I can climb the tree. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna go in. Can I go in? Oh, no, I can't go in. I'm not in. Oh, what's that? No. Things can't get worse. Oh, yes, they can, Jack. It is an avalanche. Ah! I bet he's gonna make us go in the cave when it snows. Get to the cave, yeah. He's gonna teleport there, I swear. Yeah, there he is. Okay, I'm in the cave. Can I go? Oh, I can't even go. Jack. Jack, make us stay at the beginning. When, get to the cave. But yeah, there's snowballs. I can't believe what just happened. Yeah, I'm gonna explore. Oh, we escaped an avalanche. Mommy, I wanna go home. Dot. Wait. I'm gonna go down this room. So about those crystals. I don't care about those crystals. Just wait until you see this cave. Oh my. Wow. Can I jump in these? I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna try it. These crystals, they are the world's most powerful energy source. It surprises me they haven't been put to use yet. They might have been the ones that were causing the avalanche and snowstorm. Don't touch the blue eye. Yeah, it will kill you instantly. Yeah. Can I go farther, please? Oh. Well, okay. Perhaps we thought we. Perhaps we go through the cave. We haven't went through the. Oh, follow my lead. I'm first. Let me go. Yeah. No, it's better. It's not snowing. Parkour. Oh, Jack, you're so slow. Parkour. I want to do some parkour. I haven't been here before. We have to complete this parkour. I'll meet you on the other side. Watch him just teleport. Literally. Yep, there he goes. Can I do this? I'm not sure. I was wondering if I could just walk over it. Where do I go? Okay, I made it. Alright, I made it. Yeah, let's go deeper through the cave. Yeah. Hopefully we'll find a way out soon. It's not snowing anymore. Okay. Whoa. What? What is that? What is that though? Like, literally. What is it? Jack, buddy, what's this? Yes, what is that? Tell me. Is that a portal? Yeah, like you don't know. Your outfit looks blue because I'm blue. Either way, we're going to have to go through it. We can't go anywhere else. Yeah, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Yeah, I know. Get in the portal. Yes, let me go. Yeah. Hurry, get in the portal. The cave is going to collapse. Yeah. Oh! Excuse you. I want to go this way. And it was just winter. Why is it summer now? What the? Yeah, Jack. I know it's that. Can we escape? Well, I have a Zoom meeting to go to, so I will, next video I will finish this, so yeah, make sure you smash the subscribe button and like it, and trust all your friends so they know this because I do, and yeah, hope you enjoy this video, bye.